What's up? It's the 4th of December. Shall we see what's inside the Golf GTI advent calendar today? Okay, let's have a little look what we've got today. I like how these parts are making their own shape. Anyway, let's find number 4. Oh, it's a big one. What have we got? Oh, it feels a bit more substantial. Oh, it looks like a car. There we go. There's the body. Looks pretty sweet. So that'll be about that size. Let's have a little look at it. Looks pretty good. I was thinking about giving this a paint as the same colour as my old Golf, even though this is the Mark 1 and that was a Mark 2. But I feel that I should keep this red colour, since this is one of the original colours that this car came in when it was first produced. This just means I'll have to get myself another model and paint that blue. Okay. So, when the VW Golf went to America in 1975, it was known as a Rabbit, and it was called Rabbit because all Volkswagen cars were given animal names at that point. But only the Golf 1 and Golf 5 carried the name Rabbit. Interestingly, Golfs 2 to 4 were all known as Golfs. Again, I didn't know that. Did you know that? Hey, if you're American and you watch this, did you know that? Have you got a Rabbit or a Golf? I thought all Golfs in America were known as Rabbits, but apparently not. And it has a nice little picture, a little green Golf and a rabbit. So, there we go. That's the 4th of December done. Box number 4. Will you join me tomorrow for day number 5? Let's see what we get. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.